Welcome back, guys, to a live trading session here. I'm going to go ahead and demonstrate this trade here. We got a little micro trend working up, the break, and a new high in place. So this micro trend played out. We're in a range here, and we have a second entry short, first entry short, second entry short, triple test, and we're ranging. So the way you play this is you would buy the lows and sell the highs. I'm going to go ahead and just go for 2 points here. And you see how bullish this bar was here. And then this one is currently engulfing. I didn't even wait to close. I didn't even wait for the bar to close. I just went as soon as price broke below this bar's wick. That should trap a lot of people here who went long on this bar. And then this bearish bar just completely engulfed it. It's a little more advanced, but with time and practice, you can trade these. Yeah, market tends to be a little slower right before the open. So the open is at 8:30 Central Time. And right now it's currently 8:12. But you can typically start trading after 7 a.m. It's pretty safe to start trading. It's just if you're gonna enter a trade, it might be a little slower. So you can take advantage and kind of learn the setups. It's not as fast moving. And then you start seeing something like this, and then you're tempted to close it. But the setup's pretty good. It's a triple test. You can see one test, two test, third test, and then you get a nice signal bar that closed above the EMA. But when it's the EMA's flat like that, you don't really care too much about the EMA because we're bouncing below it, above it, below it, above it. So you have to sell the highs and buy the lows. And that's what we did here. We sold the highs on a nice signal bar. I actually waited. I waited since this bar closed above. I just waited a little longer, and I seen this bar here. Very bullish bar. But then you have this bearish bar engulf it. So this is an engulfing trade here I took as soon as prices broke below this signal bar. I actually didn't even wait for the bar to close, for this bar to close. But your stop loss doesn't go above this signal bar or this one. It goes above the one that made the high, the most recent swing high. We're pretty close to our profit target here. I mean, you can drop it one tick lower here, but I'm gonna play it safe and get out one tick higher. All right, we're out. So this is the current market structure here after this trade I just took on a triple test. It was a big move, nice move. We started downward and created this channel. We had a break and a new in place, and we started reversing. So right now I'm looking for a long setup. After this retracement is played out, you see how we have a break, new low in place already. So we start trending back up and I get a failed second entry short or a second entry long, I'm gonna go ahead and take it. Back to the highs here. We're gonna go ahead and short this here to the downside. We're gonna go for a bigger move here. We're gonna go ahead and go to the very lows on this trade. We're gonna about to trigger a second entry short here, coming from the lows. First entry short, second entry short. If this bar finishes bearish, we're gonna start pushing strongly to the downside. You can see that EMA starting to get stronger and stronger here. If we can close bearish like that, it's a pretty good sign. I'm gonna go ahead and tighten my stop loss. See if we can push down here a little more. If not, we're gonna get out of here. I'm not gonna wait for a pullback and break up this channel and then a retest of the low is just too much. We're good here. One tick above. This is how you can trail it. One tick above this bar here. No! What? We're surviving! Well, that's it, guys. It was a nice trade here. It's part of the game. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and wrap up the day. I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace!